Okay, a lot of you know that I have crashed this mirror. Well, another lady made me crash into her. Anyway, I bought a new one. You'll see that. I'm going to have a few videos on it. It's mainly going to be me because Liam doesn't have a lot of time to spare. He's very busy with his business. But I've done some things already. That's why you'll probably see me with a lot of hair in the next video and not much now. But yeah, I'm gonna try and I've made a list. Each category has a lot of sub things, but basically you got the stripping of the interior, the stripping of the engine bay, painting and priming and painting the car, engine swap, refit interior and glass, suspension and wheels. Includes rolling guards and doing various other things. I'll probably do that before I paint the car. I just remembered it right at the end, but yeah, I bought a heap of new parts. I got some braided oil lines, I got an oil cooler, I got a fuel pump that's set up, a new sump already done, my guards, lots of fancy little bits everywhere, lots of stuff. It's a big mess at the moment, but this is the new car. I've already stripped all the interior, as you can see. I've forgotten to film some stuff, but yeah, basically that's her. I'll strip the engine bay of the brakes and the wires and give the engine bay a paint. I'll probably strip the paint in here too because it's cracking and gross everywhere, but yeah, that's basically it. It'll be done as soon as I can realistically, but yeah, it's a slow thing to do, waiting on parts and all that. So yeah, keep an eye out for more videos to come. Yeah. Mirror. It looks pretty bad, but it's just dirty. Like, all the panels are straight, which is awesome, because I think I want to paint it like blue like the other one. I don't know what this is. It's weird. But yeah, there's like a bit of surface rust, but that's easy to fix. The dash is really good. It's like dirty once again, but it's got like every piece, every little aircon vent and like every little cover and all that. It's got door cards that are modified with speakers already, which is cool. Makes it easy for me. It's a two-seater. Obviously had the ED motor, but that's alright. I'm going to engine swap it anyway, so that's cool. I'll put my seats in the back again, so it'll be a four-seater. I'll modify that to work. Yeah, it's looking really good. I'm really keen for it. Oh, that's my new intercooler off a Ford F6? Yeah. Ford Falcon intercooler. Engine bay, it's pretty well stripped already. A couple things I need to take out: brake booster, this thing, that thing, charcoal canister, and then I'll give it a quick paint inside the engine bay, and it'll be nice. It'll be a good engine bay. I'm keen. Alright, cool. That's that. It's my new mirror. Hopefully it'll be real nice. Alright, at my house now. This thing is lifted beyond funny. Yeah, I've been cleaning it at the moment because it was like this all over. That's mold, so it doesn't come off very easily. So I've been gurneying the whole car. I took the stuff in the boot out, like all the carpet and stuff from the boot. The paint's just coming off, so yeah, gotta clean it and start work on it. One of the bigger mods I have to do is the rear seats, because the mirror I bought is a two-seater. It has no rear seats or seat mounts in the back, so one of the mods I have to do is cut these spot welds out and put these seat mounts in the back and seat belts and seat belt bolts and all that. So that'll be one of the bigger mods. I've been trying to keep everything organized as much as I can. I got my seats and all the seat belts and seat accessories and seat bolts. All the bolts are in a little box for the seat. And then there's my boot stuff, my jack, spare tire, boot cover. Yeah, just plastic accessories. But I've been stripping everything. I'm gonna try and salvage this carpet. Otherwise I might just do carpet from new. I'm not sure yet. I'll see how I go. But yeah, that's my plan so far. Okay, I've got all the carpet and seats out of this one. I've found 98 cents in coins. I got a couple 1 and 2 cent pieces in there. Oh, hang on. Nope, $1.03 now. $1.03 under the carpet. Fair bit, so not bad find. Not a bad find. Yeah, it's about all of interest under there. There's nothing else. It's pretty clean actually, which is good. Done in the interior with what I want to do, so it's all clean. I've gurneyed it out, got rid of all the dirt and stuff, and cleaned everything I want. So yeah, that's all the interior I want to get out. I'm going to clean the doors still. I ripped the plastic off because it was shit anyway, so I'll just redo that when I put it back together. Just put new plastic in. Yeah, so I got to paint the interior because so much of the interior metalwork is exposed in these cars, like all the uprights and everything. So I'll take the glass out and the rubbers out and yeah, give it a paint.